guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Natoya from justnatoya.com, where you can read about beauty, lifestyle, adventure as I go through my life. It's just a blog about everything. Just Natoya. It's just me. Just me. Today, however, we are going to do a quick unboxing for Farmacy Beauty. I entered an Instagram giveaway that was hosted by Cat Forsley. I'll put her information in the down bar. And she was working in collaboration with Farmacy to give away like a Christmas, just a Christmas giveaway. I entered and no idea I was gonna win, because I don't know about you guys, but I enter a lot of Instagram giveaways and I rarely ever win. But I won this one and I was so freaking excited. I got a box filled with Farmacy goodies. I wrote a blog about the items that I got, but I'm also just gonna link that below if you want to read the blog with all my photos and whatnot. But I'm just gonna quickly open up the box and go through all the items with you guys. All right, so won this box. Came like this. Farm Fresh Beauty has arrived, and if you know anything about me, I love sustainability. I like it when a brand mixes their philosophy and ethics with the product and come together and make something unique and precious, kind of like what Farmacy has done. I've always wanted to try Farmacy Beauty, but I've never really tried it, because when I go to Sephora, I'm thinking, ooh, I don't know if I want to commit to buying something that I'm not gonna like, to just be honest. So when I won this, I was so freaking excited. Anyways, in the giveaway, in the box, the first thing was the Honey Savior All-in-One Skin Repair Salve, and it looks like this. Don't mind my nails, I'm gonna get them done later. So that was the first thing, and then the next thing was the Skin Dew. It's the Skin Dew Hydrating Essence Mist and Setting Spray. Fun. And oh my god, the Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask with Echinacea Green Envy Honey. And look at that. And I was just like, oh my god. And then they threw in like a little something extra and sent me their new Do It All Total Eye Cream. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I was like asking anyone, what can I do to get rid of the dark circles underneath my eyes? So I have been using this, and I'm wearing makeup today obviously, but it has been helping to reduce the look of the dark circles underneath my eye, and it's only been a couple of days. So after 2 weeks, I'm going to show you guys again. But anyways, that was what was in the box. I was like so freaking excited when I got it. I was like screaming, oh my god, Farmacy! So I'll go through some of the products. Let's start with the Honey Potion. So this little guy just slides off, and then it's in this honeycomb. It looks like a honeycomb. It says Farmacy on it. You open it up. It's like opens up like a gift, like a beautiful wrapped gift. Comes again well secured in another little thing, a little box. Comes out of the box, has a magnetic lid, and has a little spatula, I guess. Anyways, it comes out like this. You open it up and the product looks like that. Looks amazing. I wish there was smell-o-vision. I want you guys to smell this. It smells so good. It smells like you can like you can eat it. Oh, so good. So good. So that's the product, and you can use the little spatula to, if you guys want to see me try this on, just let me know and I can do like a little washroom try on with you guys. I'm trying to make more YouTube content, so help me. Anyway, so that's that. One of the other things that I really appreciated about Farmacy was the packaging, and you're like, packaging, really? Because look, it opens up and it gives you the whole information about the company and whatnot on this beautiful, well-designed package. I personally thought that was really clever, but I'm an artist and clever packaging and design is important to me, as well as the product. It says farmer cultivated, scientist activated. Like, how amazing. It says meet the farmer. Mark Vetter, or Vetter, I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, is the pioneer plantsman behind the discovery and patenting of the Echinacea green envy team, a unique variant of Echinacea purpurea. He has partnered with farming expert Robert Beefus to cultivate the plant in upstate New York. Together, they're creating jobs and changing lives in their local community. And that to me is like super important. It's act locally but think globally, and I think that's what Farmacy is doing. Even the name Farmacy, like how clever. Farmacy. I just thought that was clever. Anyway, so that is the honey potion, and next up was the honey savior, and this is an all-in-one salve. It comes like this in this beautiful packaging. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you guys see it? Comes like that, and then when you open it up, it smells really great too. I've only used this once and I really do like it. I washed my face, then I put on the eye cream and I put this on and I went to bed, and I saw the difference in the morning. Like, I have a lot of sun damage from the summer and just like weather damage on my skin, if that makes any sense. Winter is really harsh on the skin too, so I noticed that it was slowly kind of just evening my skin tone, and just my skin felt not only moisturized, but it felt hydrated, felt supple, like I was 20 again. And then this guy, this is the Skin Dew. And this is just kind of like an unboxing. We can go into the products another time. So this is a hydrating essence mist and setting spray. It looks like this, and it smells like health. You know, it smells healthy. I'm gonna spray it on my, like, you just need just a couple of mists. It has a really green scent to it. It's like our natural skincare formulations are free of artificial coloring, so the color of the product might change over time. Rest assured, this will not affect the product's effectiveness. It remains completely safe for your skin. Yeah, I like this stuff. I've used it a couple of times. It is so amazing. It just like it's like a mist of like power to your skin, just pump it up a little bit. So that's that guy. And then there was the Do It All eye cream, and you're like, wow, that's little. This is a little thing, little guy that packs a huge punch. Let me tell you, this, I used just the tiniest amount of it. I used the tiniest amounts, and it just makes my eyes come alive. Like, I have those really dark circles that makes your eyes look sunken and tired, even when you're not tired. When I've had all the sleep and when I'm eating properly and I'm really taking care of my skin, my eyes still look that way. But I'm finding after 5 days, look at that. That's not only makeup, you know, like I'm not even wearing like that much, but it really fills in the sunken areas underneath here and helps your eyes to just kind of come alive again. So I'm really happy for this. So yeah, that was just a quick unboxing of all the really cool pharmacy products that I received from that giveaway hosted by Cat, and I'm so thankful to Cat and to Farmacy, and I can't wait to maybe do a little day in the life and a little tutorial on how I use the products and how well the products are working for me. For sure, in 2 weeks I'm going to come back and show you how the Do It All eye cream has been working, because I'm seeing major changes in my under eye, and I'm just seeing major changes in my skin. I've been taking a photo a day to document the process. It's not pretty, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the end. Again, thanks so much, and thank you for watching. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button or click the like button. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know how you liked this video or not, and just some ideas of things that you want to see on the channel going forward. Thank you guys. Love you.